What's up, everyone? Okay, so now let's see here how we link two consonant sounds together. Here we have the first example. I want to be alone. So here we have a consonant sound in the end of this word and another one here in the beginning of this word. So we join them together. I want to be alone. I want to be alone. But this is formal English, okay guys? So in informal speech, we say wanna, but we only say that, we don't write it down, right? So I wanna be alone. Formal English, I want to be alone. Informal English, when you are talking to your family, to your friends, wanna, I wanna be alone. I wanna be alone. Next one, stop playing on your phone and help me with that table. Stop playing on your phone and help me with that table. So here we have two examples. First one, stop. Consonant sound here and here. Let's join them together and say stop playing. Stop playing. And here we have another one, that table. So we read these words as one. That table. That table. Stop playing on your phone and help me with that table. Now we're linking two vowel sounds. So pay attention to this. Go. The verb to go, ending in vowel sound. And out, beginning with a vowel sound. So we join them together. Go out. And here, another one. Too often. Vowel, vowel, connection. They go out too often. But we can also connect these two consonant sounds here. These two consonants. They go out too often. Out too. Go out too often. You see? No pauses between the words. They go out too often. One more. When I grow up, I'm gonna be a teacher. Here we have vowel sound and vowel sound. We connect them. Grow up. Grow up. This is a phrasal verb. So two words we read as one. Grow up. When I grow up, I'm going to be a teacher. We also connect be and a. I'm going to be a teacher. And we have a reduction here. Remember, want to, wanna. We also reduce going to gonna. So formal English, I'm going to be a teacher. Informal, I'm gonna be a teacher. When I grow up, I'm gonna be a teacher. When I grow up, I'm gonna be a teacher. When I grow up, I'm gonna be a teacher. Now linking consonant and vowel sounds. First example. Can I help you out in the kitchen? Now let's join the words together. Can, consonant sound here, ending the word. The personal pronoun I, vowel sound. Consonant sound, vowel sound. Can I help you? Same thing. Consonant, vowel. Help you. Can I help you? Out in. Out in. Here we have three examples of connecting consonant and vowel sounds. Can I help you out in the kitchen? Can I help you out in the kitchen? Can I help you out in the kitchen? Next one. Take a look at this. That's our sentence now. Here we have take. Although this is a vowel, the end of the word has a consonant sound. Take. Consonant sound. A vowel sound. So consonant sound with a vowel sound. Take a, take a. Another one. Look at, look at. Look at, look at. Take a look at this. Here, we also connect, remember, these two consonant sounds here. Take a look at this. Take a look at this. Now let's review the sentences we used in this lesson. Repeat after me. I wanna be alone. Stop playing on your phone and help me with that table. They go out too often. When I grow up, I'm gonna be a teacher. Can I help you out in the kitchen? Take a look at this. So that's it for now.